Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for J1 visa and American culture. In today's video, we're gonna make a Filipino food haul. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. So I just ordered another package from Sarap Now, and I am kind of surprised about myself because I didn't order a bunch of snacks because I'm currently not really doing a diet, but most likely what do you call it? Refraining from eating bad food and refraining from eating sweets because it's not good for you. No. So finally, I've been wanting to order to their company for a while now, but because their coffee is always sold out, so I'm always like discouraged, like I don't wanna place an order without the coffee. So because it's always sold out, I buy 3 of them. I love this coffee. Great taste wise. You're the best. The next, of course, this is like a staple every time that we cook eggs, our magic syrup. And then, oh my god, wait, did I buy a lot? I'm surprised. I thought I only bought 1, but I have 6 of the tamarind soup, which will definitely cook sinigang na hipon, which is a shrimp with soup, which is really good and also perfect for winter weather. Come on, Kizo, say hi to the camera. There, come on, show me. You don't want that. You don't drink coffee. Oh, and the only snack that I got is this one. I need to give my, I need to give gift. So this is the only snack that I bought like in their store because it is really good. I would say that this is like my treat for myself, but this is actually not good for you, but it's holidays. You gotta have one cheat meal. By the way guys, if you want a discount, I have a special discount code. You'll get $10 off in the total of your cart. So what you have to do is just check the description box below. I don't know how to pronounce, but I just like doing it. So you can just go to the description box below. You will see there, get $10 off for the Filipino store in the US, and then there's a link below. Then you'll just click that, and then you'll go straight to the store. Yes. And then you'll get the automatic code for $10 off. Okay, so just click that link and you'll save $10 off. Thank you. Most of the time I always order the spicy calamansi. Is that the flavor? Something like with the calamansi and spicy. So now because I don't have that, I just ordered this. I don't know if I will like it. Comment down below if you guys like this one, but let's see. Oh, this is my favorite liquid seasoning, which is Knorr. Love this. You cannot get this here. That is something that I love being about Filipino. That one is really good, And of course, tuna. I love tuna. You can eat this every day. I didn't go crazy because we still have a lot of food in here, so I just ordered 3 of them, but most of the time I always ordered 12 cans and 12 packs of noodles. And I just ordered 1 of this corned beef because I'm the only one who eat corned beef, so I just ordered 1. Then I can split this like in 2 meals. Oh, what's this? I forgot. Is this Mang Tomas? I'm not sure though. But do you guys like Mang Tomas, or is it just me? Comment down below. So in this Filipino online grocery store here in the US, before I ordered pillows, V-Cut, Cheez-It, and all of the chips, even stick. Oh, I ordered one from them. But like I told you guys earlier, I'm trying to eat healthy this month, especially this month, because I'm going somewhere and I want to wear something, like certain dress that I cannot wear because I'm too fat right now. So I need to watch what I am eating. Oh, this is surprising. I think this is better. This famous sweet Filipino spaghetti sauce. I'll cook a spaghetti this Christmas if we have time. because I want them to taste what a Filipino spaghetti tastes like. I mean, yeah, is that correct grammar? I want them to taste how, I don't know, guys. Please don't judge on my English. But yeah, if you are Filipino, you know that our Filipino spaghetti is way different from Italian spaghetti or the usual spaghetti you can find here in America, you know. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our mini haul. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Bye for now.